I'm going to walk through the steps to set up field level security. As you can see, I have a contact on my screen, and I have a field for social security number, and of course we'll want to protect that information. There are two steps to get field level security set up. First, we need to enable the field for field level security, and then secondly, we need to configure permissions for that field level security. So for the first step, let's go into the form editor. We'll double click on our field, go to the Details tab, and to edit it, you'll notice that there's an option to enable field level security. We'll save and close. Click OK. Then save and publish the form. When I go back to the contact form, notice that right now there's no icon next to the social security number. If I refresh the form, there's now a key next to it, which indicates that it is enforced with field level security. I'm logged in as an administrator right now, so I can go in and I can edit the field, I can view the field. However, I'm also logged in as a user, and let me refresh this page. So as just a normal user, as soon as that field level security gets enabled on the field, all I see are hashes there. Now, going back to the setup, now that I have field level security established on the field, I'm going to go to the settings area and administration. You'll notice we have field security profiles. We'll go into that. System administrator is the default profile. The system administrator can see everything. Now if I go back, let's create a new field security profile, and let's say this is view permission on the social security number. So you can either choose to add teams or users. In other videos we talk about adding users into teams. For right now, let's just add a single user. And this is the user that I have in the other browser. Now I can choose the field permissions, and right now you can see again the default is no privileges at all. If I double click, I can choose to allow read, and I'll leave allow update as no and allow create as no. I'll click OK and click save. And note, if you just barely created or added field level security to a field and you're not seeing it in this area here, go and just publish all of your customizations and then it will show up. Okay, so now that I've saved that profile, I can go back to the salesperson user, and again, before we couldn't see any digits. When I refresh, you'll see we have a blank field here. Let me take one step back and look up Freddie. So now you can see that I, as a salesperson, have the option to, or rather, not necessarily as a salesperson role, but as Dave Espenscheid, that user that we added to the security profile, I can read the social security number field, but I can't edit it. And of course, you have lots of options to determine who can see what, but those are the steps to get field level security set up.